All right, tech enthusiasts, let's dive into the latest buzz. The Honor Magic 6 Pro is finally here, and it's loaded with some jaw-dropping features. First up, let's talk about the design. The Magic 6 Pro comes in three stunning color options: midnight black, emerald green, and the eye-catching twilight silver. Sleek and stylish, this phone is definitely going to turn heads. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Expect blazing fast performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. And with 12 GB of RAM, lag is a thing of the past. Now, onto the display. The Honor Magic 6 Pro sports a 6.81-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. That means buttery, smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Perfect for all your media needs. Camera buffs, you're in for a treat. The Magic 6 Pro features a quad-camera setup with a 108MP main sensor. Crisp, detailed photos in any lighting condition, and with 8K video recording, your content's going to look next level. Battery life, no worries there. A 5000 mAh battery with 66W fast charging ensures you have power throughout the day. Just a quick charge and you're good to go. And for the software, it runs on Magic UI 7.0 based on Android 14. Sleek, fast and customizable. So, when can you get your hands on it? The Honor Magic 6 Pro is set to launch in India on August 15th. Mark your calendars, folks. There you have it. The Honor Magic 6 Pro in a nutshell. Cutting-edge features, stunning design, and all the power you need. Are you excited for the launch? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech savvy.